Have you ever wondered why you keep talking about what you're going to do and nothing changes? You talk, you plan, you promise, but every time you open your mouth, your goals get weaker. The world doesn't bow to talkers, it bows to doers. This isn't a comfort speech, it's truth, raw, cold, and you need to hear it today. Every time you speak your dream, you drain the energy meant to build it. Every time you seek validation, you trade your fire for applause. Listen, discipline dies the moment you tell the world what you're going to do. The weak talk, the strong act. If you want change, shut your mouth and move. Let your silence do the talking. You don't fail because you're unlucky. You fail because you talk too much. You get an idea, a spark, a moment of fire, but instead of guarding it, you post it. You tell your friends, you chase approval, and your brain thinks, mission complete. That's the trap. You got the feeling of victory before doing the work, and that's why you stay the same. Every good job kills a bit of your hunger. Every "you got this" makes you slower. You need pressure. Pressure builds diamonds. No pressure, no greatness. No pressure, no growth. Validation kills pressure, and pressure is everything. Discipline grows where no one claps, where no one sees you grind, where no one even cares. Those are the days that build kings, when no one's watching, but you still show up. That's discipline. That's power. Silence is not weakness, it's power. It forces you to face yourself. No applause, no excuses, no lies, just you and what you choose to do next. Every time you say, "I will," and don't, you destroy your self-respect. When your words lose power, so do you. Stop talking about it. Start proving it. No one cares about your goals. They're too busy with their own lives. Some will smile, some will nod, and some, secretly, will hope you fail, because your ambition reminds them of their weakness. You think you're inspiring others, but you're not. You're wasting your energy. No empire was built with words. Every kingdom was built in silence. Even lions hunt in silence. They don't roar before the kill. They roar after victory. Be that lion. The world doesn't reward intentions. It rewards execution. History doesn't remember dreamers. It remembers doers. Winners don't announce. They appear. They don't talk about what's coming. They become what's coming. And when they show up, the world bows. No one owes you respect. No one owes you belief. No one owes you anything. And that's fine, because real power isn't given. It's earned in silence. You want freedom? Build discipline. You want respect? Earn it. You want power? Shut up and work. A disciplined man will always defeat a man driven by emotion. Always. Stop seeking validation. Stop sharing plans. Lock in. Focus. Execute. And when the time comes, let your silence become your roar. If you've listened this far, it means the fire inside you isn't dead. That fire doesn't need words to burn. It needs action. Be silent. Work relentlessly. And let your results echo through the world. Don't tell the world who you are. Make the world remember your name. This is the path of those who dare to change. The path of evolve your motivation. If you're ready to evolve, to rise, and to become the strongest version of yourself, start now. Don't talk, do.